Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can safely write blogs using AI. Now when I say safely, I'll explain later on in the video. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to head over to Chat GPT, which is a fantastic new AI tool for generating articles, copy, etc. So we're going to jump in here and we're going to say, write an article on the top 5 SEO tips for a small business website. Bang. So there we go. That's going to start generating this. So here we are. Now it has written this beautifully constructed article with the top 5 SEO tips for a small business website. The reason why you can't put this straight into your website as it is because Google has said that they are going to penalize websites for using AI generated content. So here's how we'll get around this. So if I copy this paragraph here, so there are various websites, CopyLeaks being one of them, where you can paste your content in and check it to see if AI wrote it. So here we go. So this has said, yeah, this is probably human text, but if we hover above it, it's a 23.1% probability for human. I think we can do better than that. So let's go across to my favorite rewriting tool, which is Quillbot. And we've pasted our text in here. Now I press paraphrase. And if it's under 125 words, it'll do this for free for you. So there we go. It's rewritten. And if you read both of these, I mean, yeah, they both look written pretty well. Now, if I copy this, which you can press down there, and I go back to my AI content detector, I press clear. I paste this in and I press check. It says this is human text. 98.9% probability for human, which is, yeah, crazy. This is AI. Now let's grab another paragraph. Let's grab this conclusion paragraph here and let's check it. Doesn't like it. It's red. And this is why you can't just dump content from Chat GPT straight into your website, because this is a 99.3% probability for AI. So let's go back to our Quillbot website. Let's drop that in and let's paraphrase that. Bang, that's done. Now let's jump back over here. Let's see if we can fix that up. This is human text. 31.7, that's not bad. We could probably do better. It's certainly better than what it was. If you want to try, go in again, you can actually just press rephrase. And let's have a look. We'll just see if we can beat that, whatever it was, 31.7. 66.1. There we go. So that's it. Because Quillbot has a 125 character limit, you can't just dump your whole article in there. You've got to do it 125 word at a time unless you upgrade to their premium, which is probably, if you're doing quite a lot of this, probably worth doing. Also want to say just quickly, before you publish it, just make sure, should be obvious, but just make sure you read through, make sure that nothing that it says here actually conflicts with anything that you truly do believe as a business or as a person. Nothing I've seen so far that it's generated has been a cause for alarm, but definitely you want to be reading it and checking it. And another little tip is, if you're in here and you're having a bit of trouble getting it to not be detected as AI, just jump in and rewrite parts of it yourself, or rewrite it yourself, and see if AI thinks you are actually a human. Okay, so until ChatGPT changes the way it works, and I'm sure you can force it to try and write more like a human and then test it. The way I've shown you here is one way you can do it safely for now in 2023.